Installation guidance of ball mill linings by Epoxy Adhesive. Suitable for dry grinding, such as quartz. Step 1. Preparation work. The ball mill should be installed on the base in advance, keep parallel to the ground, and make sure the ball mill can run smoothly after the cement is hardened. Any brick or cement residue, welding slag, rust, oil stains on the inner surface of the ball mill should be removed and the table should be smooth. The surface should be rough to improve the bonding effect. Electronic blender, work light, exhaust fan, clean plastic buckets, hammer, alcohol 5L, metal heads, broom, shovels, several gloves, duster cloth, angle grinder, cutting machine. Place the Silex liners on the ground, and arrange them in the order according to the marked on the drawings, then move them into the ball mill. Mix component A and component B, in a weight ratio of 1 to 1 inch small quantities, thoroughly mix and stir evenly until the color is consistent, then use it to paste bricks. After mastering the installation skill, adjust the amount of components A and B according to the installation speed, and continue to use and install. Clean excess uncured adhesive with a ketone solvent. Step 2. Start the installation. Try to install the liner in the order of the liner bricks numbers. Do not move during curing. Press Silex liners on the ball mill tightly. Epoxy adhesive thickness will be confirmed on site. Similar with the installation of sidewalls, it can be installed directly according to the drawing, but it is necessary to pay attention to the position of the reserved material hole.